You can make $3,000 from AI music. You can make $25K per month from AI music. I see a lot of these tutorials that sounds really tempting and videos that seem suspicious, telling you how much money you can make just by following along. It sounds too good to be true, but do you know what else is true? None of these channels that claim to make a profit actually provide any evidence. For example, what is the Spotify ID or what is the name of the music channel? And you, sir, you claim to make $10,000 per day. Per day. Okay, that's just too ridiculous. Now, I don't want to judge a thumbnail by its cover, but then again, none of them actually show the result. This really sucks because I want to make money and I'm sure some people would definitely try for sure. So I decided to try for myself. And here's a warning. I'm not your financial advisor and I don't want to sound like I'm shilling, but I think you get the point. So I end up watching tons of these types of videos. Each video has its own way of doing it, but I summarize the most popular choice. In this video, I will give you a general overview of how I made a song using AI and also provide my honest opinion about AI music monetization. So let's dive in. So the first step, I start with Suno AI. This is a website where I can make music. It is also AI tool that I recommend to you guys in the previous video. So the way that it works is quite simple. You just have to type prompts here and there. Then Suno AI will make a music for you. The real question is how to know what to type in this prompt. I know there are other tutorials that can be extremely complicated. That's why I developed my own workflow. Here's how I do it. First, you need a reference song, something you like. It could be anything, just download it from YouTube. For some reason, the first song I choose was this one. How many of you are familiar with this anime? I sort of grew up with it. For some reason, the opening music of this anime always pops up in my head at some point. So I decided to use this song as a reference. I downloaded the song and then went to ChatGPT. I upload the song and asked ChatGPT to analyze it. You need to write the prompt like this.
To recreation of song, provide a concise description of the song's style, including the vibe, mood, tempo, and vocal qualities, and summarize all these elements in several keywords.
Then ChatGPT will analyze the song and generate the best prompt for you. You can use that prompt to describe the style of the music. In this way, you will get the best result when making the song. I also recommend avoiding using random style or lyrics because they turn out to be pretty bad. I mean, I'm not sure how to explain this, but if I have to, it's like you are getting chichi every time you generate. Hope that makes sense. Now, the most important part is the lyric. In fact, I made a huge mistake that ends up wasting so many credit in the end. This will take some time to explain, so I'm going to make another video for that. For now, let's move on to the next step. Once you have created your perfect song, you need to upload it to music streaming platforms like YouTube Music, Apple Music, and Spotify. The thing is, unlike YouTube where people can simply upload videos without any problems, uploading music is more strict. Just because you have a song, it doesn't mean you can upload it directly. You need something called a music distribution site. These sites not only help you distribute your music to platforms like Spotify, but also help you get permission to upload your music. I use DistroKid since it's another popular choice. Once I upload my music to DistroKid, after a few days, you can search for your name on Spotify and it will appear. For example, if you search for Pana's music on Spotify, that's me. I think it's really cool. Now I'm an AI prompt musician. An authentic artist. I even got that blue check mark. So those are the basic steps. After that, I did a little bit of extra work to make the sounds better, did some more editing, and also create a music video for each song. I have been doing this for about 3 weeks now, and you can check out my music channel to listen to all the songs I have made so far. Currently, I've been focusing on making K-pop and J-pop for each album. After that, English pop songs are definitely coming up next. So, let's talk about our main question. Can you make money from AI music? My answer is no, I highly doubt it, and here's why. First, AI music is not perfect. The best example is the song that I generate with the J-pop music. This is really unfortunate. Despite me trying to make the best version of the song, I still end up having mechanical sounds or a lot of noise is generated when playing heavy music or chorus. Making music that sounds natural is really difficult. Some songs have turned out quite nicely. But I don't think it's enough to make money. Even if it is possible, it might take a long time. But to be fair, one good thing is that they are easy to make, so you can make lots of videos and songs fast. But for now, I really doubt that anyone can make money from this. At this point, I'm curious, why do other YouTubers promote AI for making a lot of money? Honestly, if I knew a way to make money, I would never easily share it with others. So why do these people make these kinds of videos? This is my pure guess, but many YouTubers' main goal is to earn money from affiliate link. So what is affiliate link? An affiliate link, also known as a referral link, typically YouTubers ask viewers to subscribe. If they purchase something using this link, the YouTuber earns a bit of money. So simply put it, they're just talking to buy their product. That's more like it. Now, don't get me wrong, using affiliate links or referral links isn't necessarily a bad thing. Actually, a lot of other YouTubers use them too. But when they start deceiving and exaggerating the product to the audience just to make money, that sounds like a scam to me. I mean, what do you think? Let me know your opinion in the comments below. So, in conclusion, if your goal is to make money, never do it. I tried it out of curiosity myself, but making money isn't easy. Especially with this method, it seems even harder to make any. Still, since I have already started, I'm thinking of giving it another 3 to 4 months before quitting. Besides making money, I really enjoy creating my own music. It's pretty cool to see my name on Spotify. If you are interested, I will explain the process more in the next video. That's all for today. By the way, my channel has surpassed 500 subscribers. Look at the graph. Just 3 weeks ago, it was only 180. Thanks to all of you, I have gained a lot of courage. I will work hard to create more informative and helpful videos in the future. I hope today's video was helpful for you, and I'll see you next time. Ciao!